Preparing for university is an exciting and important step in life. It takes time, planning, and learning new things. Many students have questions before they start. It's normal to feel nervous or confused at first. This list of questions and answers can help you understand what to do. Use it as a guide to feel more confident and ready for university life. What should I do before applying to university? You should research different universities and their programs. Look at their rankings, courses, and campus life. Check the entry requirements for each program. Make a list of your top choices. Be sure you understand deadlines and what documents are needed. How do I choose the right university for me? Think about what you want to study and where you want to live. Some students prefer big cities, while others like quiet places. Visit campuses if you can, or take virtual tours. Compare tuition costs and scholarships. Talk to current students or read reviews online. What documents do I need for the application? You will need your high school diploma or expected graduation certificate. Include your transcripts, which show your grades. Most universities ask for a personal statement or motivation letter. Some require recommendation letters from teachers. You may also need a passport or ID, and maybe language test results. What is a personal statement? A personal statement is a short essay about yourself. You explain why you want to study the subject. You talk about your goals and experiences. It helps the university understand you better. Make sure it is honest, clear, and well written. How can I write a good personal statement? Start by thinking about why you want to study that subject. Share a story or experience that inspired you. Write clearly and use simple words. Ask a teacher or friend to read and correct it. Edit it many times before you submit. When should I start preparing for university? It's good to start in your final year of high school. Some students even begin in the year before that. Give yourself enough time to research and gather documents. Deadlines can come fast, so don't wait too long. Early preparation reduces stress. What is a university entrance exam? Some universities require a special test before you are accepted. This test checks your skills in math, reading, or your subject area. It may be online or at a test center. You need to study well and know the format. Not all schools require this, so check first. How do I study for an entrance exam? Get old exam papers or practice tests from the university's website. Study regularly, not just one night before. Focus on your weak areas. Use books, apps, or online courses to help. Ask teachers or friends if you need help. Do I need to take a language test? If you study in a country with a different language, yes, most universities accept tests like IELTS or TOEFL for English. These tests check your reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Make sure to prepare and book your test early. Always check which test the university wants. How can I improve my English for university? Read books, watch English videos, and write short essays. Speak with friends or tutors in English. Join a language course if needed. Practice every day. Even 15 minutes helps. Try to think in English instead of translating. What should I know about university life? University is more independent than high school. You choose your classes and make your schedule. You'll meet many new people from different places. Time management is important. It's a place for both studying and personal growth. What is the difference between a college and a university? In some countries, they mean the same thing. In others, universities are larger and offer more programs. Colleges might focus on practical training. Universities often have research and master's programs. Always check what it means in your country. How much does university cost? The cost depends on the country and the school. Public universities are often cheaper than private ones. You also need to pay for housing, food, books, and transport. Some countries have free or low-cost education. Scholarships and financial aid can help a lot. How do I apply for a student visa? After you get accepted, the university sends a letter. You use this letter to apply at the embassy or online. You must show your passport, bank statements, and other forms. There may be an interview or health check. The process can take weeks, so apply early. What is student housing like? Many students live in dormitories or student apartments. Dorms have shared rooms, bathrooms, and kitchens. Some students choose to rent with friends. Housing may be on or off campus. Prices and comfort levels can vary. How do I make friends at university? Join clubs, events, or study groups. Talk to classmates before or after lectures. Be open and friendly with new people. You can also connect online. Everyone feels shy at first, but many want to make friends too. What should I pack for university? Bring important documents, clothes, and your personal items. Include a laptop, chargers, and school supplies. Don't forget any medicine or health records. You can buy many things there, so don't overpack. Think about your climate and living space. How do I budget my money as a student? Make a list of your monthly income and expenses. Try to save on food, transport, and books. Use student discounts when possible. Avoid spending on unnecessary things. Use apps to track your spending. How do I manage my time well? Use a calendar or planner for your classes and assignments. Set small goals each week. Don't wait until the last minute to study. Take breaks but avoid distractions. Stay organized and review often. What is a university lecture? A lecture is a class where the professor gives information to many students. You listen, take notes, and ask questions aloud. It may last 1 to 2 hours. Sometimes there are discussions after the lecture. It's important to attend and pay attention. What are credits and how do they work? Credits show how much time or work a course requires. Each course gives a number of credits when you pass. You need a certain number of credits to graduate. Check your program to know how many you need. Some courses are required. Others are optional. How do I stay healthy at university? Eat balanced meals and drink enough water. Try to exercise, even just walking. Get enough sleep and manage your stress. If you feel sick, go to the University Health Center. Take care of your body and mind. How can I find a part-time job? Check the university's job board or career center. Look for jobs on campus, like in the library or cafe. Some websites also list jobs for students. Make a simple CV and apply early. Be sure your visa allows you to work. What is academic writing? Academic writing is formal and clear. You need to give reasons, examples, and use sources. It's used in essays, reports, and research. Avoid slang and personal opinions. Learn to organize your ideas well. What if I feel homesick? It's normal to miss home at first. Talk to someone about your feelings. Call or video chat with family. Try to stay busy and meet people. Homesickness usually gets better with time. Can I change my major later? In many universities, yes. You may need to talk to an advisor and fill out forms. Some courses may not transfer, so check carefully. Changing early is easier than later. Make sure it's the right decision for you. What support services do universities offer? Most universities have a counseling center, career office, and tutoring help. They may also help with health, housing, and legal issues. International students often have a special office for support. Use these services if you need help. They are free or low cost. How do I prepare for online classes? Have a good internet connection and a quiet space. Test your computer and camera. Download the needed apps before class. Take notes and participate. Treat it like a real class. What happens during orientation week? Orientation is when new students learn about the university. There are tours, info sessions, and fun events. You meet staff and other students. It helps you feel ready for classes. Try to attend everything you can. Why is university important? University helps you learn more about a subject you love. It gives you skills for a future job. You grow as a person and meet many people. It opens doors to more opportunities. Education is a powerful tool for life.